guys, so today's video we will be using a full face of throwback makeup. Now most of the stuff I used in high school, they don't make it no more, so we went back maybe 5-8 years tops. So y'all, let's get into it. Older throwback makeup. It's not new and it's not old. Is the Revlon PhotoReady Pore Filling Primer. Pore Reducing Primer. You see how angry and red my face gets? Like, also, I don't have the original because I gave it to my aunt. This is the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. This is the watermelon version, but it's still like the original. It's just got the scent. So we gonna spritz this on all first. Okay, so for eyeshadow primer, I used to use this. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is a mini. I don't have a full size at the moment. But that's what we're going to prime our lids with. This one doesn't really cancel out anything on the lid, but it was a good basic eye primer. Especially, I wasn't doing no crazy dramatic looks back then. Who didn't have this palette? Who did not have this palette? This is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I mean, we can't do a throwback video without Too Faced. And I didn't have any of the Urban Decay Naked palettes, but I do on this one. This is the Naked Basics. Can't do a video without Naked palette for throwback makeup. And of course the OG Smashbox. And this is the Cover Shot Smoky Eye Palette. Guess I should show you the inside of these palettes, huh? That's the Smashbox one. I bought this many moons ago. This one, ugh, Jesus, I should take my allergy pills. Naked Ultimate Basics palette. And who doesn't know what this looks like? The Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. This was a hit when it came out too. You know, Too Faced with all their scented stuff. Try not to eat this. It smells like chocolate. We're gonna take this matte color called Pregame, and we're going to put that all over the lid. Let's use this Smashbox palette, and let's go in with this shade right here called, I believe it's Instinct. This is one. Same brush, and we're just gonna go into the crease. I feel like I'm getting possible heat exhaustion from sitting in front of these lights. Hold on. Ugh, I need someone to crack my back like a glow stick. Any volunteers? I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So now we're gonna go into this Too Faced Bonbons palette. Let's see. I'm always leaning to like gray tones. Let's do something different. Let's go in with Virgo. Right there. That one. What we gonna do next is, I really want to do that blue, but we're not doing it. Let's go into this Naked Basics. Let's go in with Lethal right there. Lethal. Kind of similar to Birdo, but I think this is a little bit darker. I like this a lot. I like it a lot. I'm gonna take a brush and just blend a little bit, a clean brush. Cashew chew. We're gonna go in with cashew chew right there. A flat brush, and we gonna pack it on. I ain't topping off nothing. I want it all packed on. That's cute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do this orange. I'm kind of feeling this orange right here. And that is extra biter. It's called extra bitter. Oh, I thought it was like biter, like. We're gonna go in with a little brush like that, and we're gonna try to pack that orange right here. Oh yeah, that's cute. Maybe bring that over a little bit, and then we'll have to add that darker color. Yeah, we'll put that other darker color back in the far corner, which was Lethal in this palette. Don't worry about the edges. We'll like clean that up with the makeup wipe here in a second. And you know, let's see what happens. I'm gonna use my finger. It's really pretty in like the inner corner, but it's just not translating to like that on the lid. Probably because there's too much shit on there already. But let's try to pack it on with the brush and see what happens. Same effects. I think we're moving on now. And we're just going to clean this up. I'm smelting. I'll have to clean that up now. Oh god, my camera died. It's a shit show today. So before it died, I was talking about this foundation. The Maybelline Better Skin, they don't make this anymore, but this is way too light for me right now. I don't remember my thoughts on this foundation. I ain't messing with it no more. That's as good as it's gonna get, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no, I got makeup on my pants. Oh no. Oh no. The only two that I have, and I know this is way too dark right now. Maybe I should have used this as foundation instead. The Kat Von D Lock-It concealer and corrector, and then we have the Tarts. You know what? I think this will be a better match. Let's see. You want to mix that? Let's mix that. Let's mix it up on the first. Do you guys remember her? Kat Von D. She sold her makeup line to do other things. Just saying, we've had a lot of controversial YouTubers in our time, haven't we now? All this new drama ain't nothing new, it's just new drama. Definitely feeling like a cake face right now. Concealer is gonna be the good old reliable Tarte Shape Tape. I think this is the first concealer I've ever used too, because I never needed to until I hit my early mid-20s. Now for contour, I don't have what I used to use, but I'll put a picture up here, and it was way too dark, honey. I look crazy. I do it in this shape to kind of lift the face, that little moon shape it's supposed to lift. And then also kind of make my forehead less so gross. Because I got a big ass forehead. Oof. This honestly It's been my ride or die for a long time. I started using this in my 20s. I want to say 24, 25-ish, maybe earlier than that. This has been around forever. This is the NYX HD Photo Finishing Powder, and I used to use this to set under my eyes. And honestly, I still love this powder a lot. Now for the rest of the face, we're going to use, here's another OG favorite, the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And this is in 001 transparent. Like me. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush for this one. This is by Bare Minerals. I got this at Marshall's. So we're gonna swirl, tap some of that off, and we're just gonna set the rest of the face with this powder. Let's doing some weird stuff on the forehead. We'll fix that. Back with the old good reliable spray. Okay, for contour. Oh boy, can't believe I'm using this product again. I used to love this product. It's the only thing I would use for contour because at the time it was the only thing that had the cool shades in there. But it's a little controversial, but the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, do you guys remember this? And you could see that this was very loved and used, and Coco licked a couple of the shades in here. What I used to use for contour was, oh god, these are so dark. So dark! I've moved on to cooler, more same tones. I used to use this shade right here, Subconscious, for contour. So yeah, let's do it. Gonna use that ghetto brush from Amazon that's like falling apart. And I would use a brush like this. I know better now, but it'll take a little bit off. Ooh, this side we went in a little ham, didn't we? Oh boy, we'll fix that. That ain't going nowhere, girl. Okay, let's try something else. Yikes. What did we do? This Fit Me powder. And that's in translucent as well. And we're gonna try to bring this a little bit down because that's insane. That did not help. I guess we're gonna look crazy. I mean, I don't know what else to do at this point. You could see why I don't use this anymore. I guess we're just going for a drag queen look today. Fuck it. Okay. What is with my hair wanting to be in my eyeball today? Oh my god. I'm definitely not going outside like this. I don't know why I went so ham with the friggin' contour. Moving on. For blush, we have the Milani Tea Rose Powder Blush. Look at us, rosy cheeks. Another blush that was a fave was this Tarte. And this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Sweet. It's more of a like a shimmery shade. So we're gonna use that as a blush topper. Might as well go ham with everything now because we look crazy. What did I do? Oh my god. Okay, we gonna turn this around somehow, some way. We ain't got no choice. For highlighter, we're using Ofra highlighter in Pillow Talk. I mean, this might not look bad in pictures, but this shit look crazy right now. Okay, the only two products that are still in the store that was a true throwback for me is the Maybelline Ultra Liner in black, and then the Great Lash Mascara in Blackest Black, which I used to use in high school and years ago. So, here we go. It's really good at getting like a precise wing, not like those pencils, on some mascara. And honestly, how I used to do my brows, we gonna do it that way today too. I used to use powder. There's a black in here that we'll use for my brows. That is so weird. I have not done my eyebrows with powder in like years. This is insane. Okay, so we're gonna use the mascara. Now I used a different type of mascara. It was my favorite back in the day. They don't make it anymore. I'll put a picture up here of what it was. It was basically like one side was a primer and the other side was mascara, and it was my favorite. I think it was called XXL by Maybelline maybe. Okay, well, we didn't do nothing in the lower lash line, so let's do that. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into the color Faith. I'm going to take that deeper color, Lethal, and we're going to press that against the lash line. Now we're gonna blend it out with Blow. My typical lip would be like a nice ox blood lip, and this is MAC lip liner in Bespoken 4. This was like my favorite lipstick. The Maybelline, I can't even read this. It was number 695 Divine Wine. These Maybelline lipsticks. This is the throwback color, okay guys. I'm gonna finish this look off with some lashes and we'll be right back. So guys, here's the finished look. I part my hair to this side because this side contour, that's way too much. Forgot how pigmented that palette was. My mistake. Well, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe, tell all your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.